One hand up, and 5, 6, 7, tiki, 1. And slide arms open. 1, open position. Hello, La Suerte Dance School, Michal and Anna. Welcome to the third class of our Beginners Bachata course for couple. Today, we are going to teach you basic turns in couple. So we'll show you how to do left and right turn, both in open and closed position. And we'll do it now. Let's go. As always, we assume you don't have previous experience, yeah? It might happen that you already dance salsa and everything what we are showing right now will be very, very simple for you. But even if you dance salsa, rules, convention for salsa and bachata are slightly different. We'll start with turns for the girls. Anna will be turning to the left and to the right inside. It means that the hand that we are going to hold will move between our bodies. So inside, in between our bodies. First, maybe we'll show you how it will work. 1, 2, 3, hop, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. In closed position, because we have only one arm available, we can turn girl to her right, but to the left. It gets tricky. First, you have to slide it. Then you have to turn it. Sliding, we already did in the previous episode. If you missed it, go there, watch it, come back here, and we can do turns together. Okay. When it comes to footwork, again, we've done a video about that. I will add it to the cards. You can watch it and make sure that you know how to turn by yourself. We're not going to go through this too slowly. What is important for us right now is that, girls, because you will be turning first, you are traveling in one line. So you are not going front or not going back while turning, because your partner will be there. Woohoo. And then, if guys decides to create the distance or shorten the distance, he can do it during your turn. But you have to travel in one line. So, first rules about turns. If I want to turn her to her left, so to mine right, I have to lift mine left hand up. Okay, so maybe let's talk about it from guy point of view. So I'm lifting left hand up, and from my perspective, she will be rotating to the right. The arm that I'm holding is going in between us, and she's rotating while I do basic step. So let's try to do this very, very slowly. We'll do half of the basic. Left hand up on 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4. So on 4, while we are tapping, this is the moment for the signal. And this hand is moving. I continue with my basic, with the right foot. Anna carries on with the left. 1, 2, 3, and turn. 5, 6, 7, hop. We started in closed position. We finished in closed position. Let's do it again. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, hop, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, girls, I would like you to pay attention to Anna's arm. I hope that you can see that. She's sliding her palm over my arm, then her arm goes around her chest, and then she extends it to put it on my shoulder. 5, 6, 7, tiki, 1, 2, 3, slide it, hop, tick, tick, and open. Okay? So she has to hide her arm to not to hit me. If she continued with the same arm position, Anna, can we do that? 1, 2, 3, and hop. Okay, I was close. She went very rapid on it. That wouldn't work. So you have to hide it when you are turning and open it when you're done. Let's do it one more time. 5, 6, 7, tiki, 1, 2, 3, hop, and 5, 6, 7, tiki, 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. What happens with my right arm, this one? This is quite tricky. A lot depends on the situation. When I want to close position directly after the turn, I keep it more or less in one place. 1, 2, 3. And so she's turning, zoom. My arm was already there. Nothing to think about, really. Okay. Let's do the same in open position. So now we can move both directions. Let's start one more time with the left arm. 5, 6, 7, hop. 1, 2, left up, turn, 5, 6, 7, and nothing, 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, one more time, 1, 2, 3, and turn, 5, 6, 7, and nothing, and 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. So as you can see, it's not much different than previous turn. The only difference is that we started with open position and we finish with open position. Let's do it opposite direction, and this time we'll try to lead with our right arm. 5, 6, 7, 1, basic, 1, 2. Now signal on 8, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm releasing the left, leading only with the right. 1, 2, 3, tiki, 5, 6, 7, tuku. When it comes to position of our arm, guys, especially if you are a lot taller than your partner, forget about it. There always has to be bend, and this bend is creating rotation. Thanks to it, she understands that she has to turn around, okay? So we are not lifting it too high. It's enough to lift your arm just above her head. 5, 6, 7, basic. One more time. Guys, with your right arm, hop, up and go, and 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, and with left arm, 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, and with right arm, go, and 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. And when I say with the right arm, with the left arm, that also means that this is right turn for the girl. This is left turn from girl perspective. Okay, and the most tricky thing, so the turn to the right from close position. We have to do a trick and prepare ourselves a bit earlier. I start with the basic, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, on 5, 6, 7, I already start sliding. 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm prepared for the turn, and then we go 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. If you want to come back to close position, you have to put it up again. So I'll do it fluently. 1, 2, 3, open, 5, 6, 7, turn, 1, 2, on your head, and 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. One more time, super slowly, go, 1, 2, 3, hop, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7, tiki. Okay, I hope that is clear. Did we miss anything, Anna? These are basic turns, okay? Have this in mind. We'll show you hundreds of variations of turns. The same turns can be executed without hands or holding them. And then many, many other things. But for now, we'll stick to really simple things. Coming back to open position, coming back to close position. Oh, one more thing actually I will mention. On the previous class, I told you that the easiest way to close position is through the turn. And that's actually truth. I can start with open position, 1, 2, 3, and go to the close, 5, 6, 7, tiki, 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7, tiki. This is very simple, easy way to close position if you want to do something different than previous class. We'll do all of it with music, so turns both directions, open, close position, and we'll review a bit from previous classes. 1, 5, 6, 7, tiki, 1, and basic side, close position, 6, 7, and 1. And we're going to start with basic turn, left arm up, close position to close position. 1, 2, 3. The same again. One hand up, and 5, 6, 7, tiki, 1. And slide arms open, 1, open position, and now we start with turn with the right arm on 8, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. 6, 7, tiki, 1. And we go again, 6, 7, 8, 1. And the same with the left arm. Hop. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, the same. Get ready, turn, hop. 6, 7, tiki, 1. And left turn, hop. And right turn, hop. Oh, that was tricky. You have to observe arms of your partners, girls. I'll do it again. So first turn, I offer hands, she sees it, and straight after you'll go opposite direction. 1. Now let's do left turn and close position. Hop. 6, 7, tiki 1. 6, 7, tiki 1. And now right turn, slide, signal, turn, close position. 1. One more time the same, get ready, slide arm, and signal, and turn on head. And take your time. And now we move front and back, let's review it. There are obviously turns happening when we travel front and back as well. Open position, slide, 5, go 1. The rules are very, very simple and very, very similar. I surprised Anna a bit. You didn't expect that to happen now. But I'll do it again. Sing. Still traveling one direction, turning with 3 steps. The same rules as previously. But we'll skip it for now. Basic. Hop. And tiki and 1. And right turn, open position, left turn straight after. Hop, over hand. Hop, and close position. 1. And open position just with basic. And close with basic. Hop. And 1. And we go front and back. Hop. 1. 6, 7, and 1. And we open position. Hop. 1, 2, 3, hop, 6, 7, push, 1, and basic, hop, 1, and one more time, basic turn and close position, left arm, hop, 6, 7, tiki, 1, 5, 6, 7, and basic, and song is finishing. That was nicer finished than last time. We are aware that with these courses we are moving slowly and we are practicing a lot, and this is what we would like you to do. You don't have to rush straight away to complicated moves. Try to enjoy dancing simple things properly. That's one of the essential pieces of advice I could give to beginners dancers. Don't rush. Take your time. You get better by practicing and really using your time for practice. People would like to jump straight away to complicated moves, and yes, you can do that if you want. Tons of them are available on YouTube. If you want to watch them, watch them. If you want to try them, it's okay. However, during this course, we'll try to do everything step by step, really slowly, so you understand and can feel what is happening in the dance. The next episode is coming up soon, and if you want to watch it, like, subscribe, and press the bell. Like, subscribe, and press the bell. Follow us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram. You can become a patron of our channel. You can also send donation through PayPal if you want. All the links are in the description of this video. We'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.